Hello and welcome. My name is Adam Bostock. I'm the founder of Alto Hearing. Thanks so much for joining me in this program, 30 Days to Better Hearing. So why have we designed this course? Well, sometimes when you're fitted with hearing aids, you have your fitting appointment, you go through the basics in looking after your hearing aids, and then you go off into the big wide world. But this approach can sometimes lead to problems, mismatched expectations, information overload, and a greater chance that people give up on their new devices. And we don't want that. Hearing aids are incredible at reconnecting you to the world, but they aren't an instant fix. They take time. At Alto, we don't overpromise that the journey to better hearing is going to necessarily be an easy one. There are so many factors that go into making your new hearing aids a success. We control the controllables our side, so we make sure you have an accurate and in-depth assessment. We make sure that you find the very best solution for your needs. And then we ensure that you're set up correctly for your new hearing aids. But once you're on your own with them and your brain is adjusting to these new sounds, it can be quite overwhelming. So we've developed this 30 Days to Better Hearing course for you to have at your side in your first 30 days of wearing hearing aids. There's one bite-sized video every day that you can watch at your leisure. In these videos, we'll be providing tips, little nuggets of information, and encouragement as you start on your journey. By the end of the 30 days, if you've been checking out these videos, it will make a massive difference to your start with hearing aids. You'll feel more confident, feel better about your devices, and be getting more benefit from them. So, as it's day one, we're going to keep it quite light today. You've just got your new devices and your head's probably still spinning a bit with all the information you've got from your audiologist. So don't worry, we know that most information at a fitting appointment gets forgotten quite quickly. The key thing is you're on track with the very basics. Putting them in, taking them out, making sure you know how to change the battery or put them on charge. That's it. If you're struggling a little bit with putting them in and taking them out, don't panic. It can be tricky to begin with. Have a go. If it's still a bit difficult, leave them for a while, go and grab a cup of tea, come back. I promise you, it'll be much easier. Today's not the day to be worrying about sound quality or whether they're truly making a difference. The most important thing today is getting them in, wearing them at a comfortable level for a bit. If you've got a volume control option, don't worry about turning them right down and making them super comfortable. Just make sure you're having a go with them today. No high expectations. Things will sound a bit odd, and we'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. But well done. You've done the hard bit. You've got hearing devices fitted. The benefit you're going to get from these is going to be amazing. And we are right here with you every step of the way. See you tomorrow.